So in this week's episode, we're going to show you how we created this beautiful table, and we were commissioned for this project to have it done within basically a week and a half, not even 2 weeks. So we didn't have time to waste. We started off by getting the slabs prepped and then getting the mold done. And we faced a lot of challenges, guys. And when I say this, I mean we had a lot of challenges on this table. Firstly, I have a 6x4 meter workshop. It's actually a single garage, single port garage, and I have too many things. But I guess that's each and every woodworker's problem. So if you guys have any idea on how I can utilize my storage better, I'm up for anything. Please send it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think I can do to better utilize my storage. But here's my good friend Martin helping me out with the mold, getting it set. This table was a 3.2 meter by 1.2 meter 12-seater resin table. So here I am just struggling with this tape, and we really need to get better tape here in South Africa. Like, to be honest, this boxing tape really is just a hassle. It always tears. We don't want it to tear. Nevertheless, we started creating this mold, and I always create it about 2 centimeters bigger than the original size that the customer required. Therefore, at the end, you always have some room to cut off any undesired features that might occur after casting the resin on the edges. So here we're just fastening the melamine with some nails, and we also silicone between the melamine joints to just ensure that no resin spills, because in South Africa resin is quite expensive. So we need to make sure that we seal our joints properly. And here we're just completing the mold. So after that, we just let it sit for a day. It's really not necessary for you to leave it a day. It was just late at night and I didn't want to continue casting. So I'd rather set it the next day, made sure everything was 100%, sealed the edges, and then continued with doing the pour. So here we just sealing the inside edges with a black silicone so that we can see where we might have missed a few places, where after we left it to dry, and then we started prepping later that night for the cast. So here you can see us cleaning the table, making sure that we don't leave any debris so that we can confidently pour this. And for this pour we used Crystal 100 from AMT Composites. It's a very nice product. You're able to cast up until 10 centimeters depending on the conditions. But for this table we did layers. So here we're just clamping the wood pieces to the table to ensure that the wood doesn't lift when we pour the resin. So after prepping the slabs, it was time now for the pour, and in this one we used AMT's black pigment to get the color that the customer required. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you very much for watching until the end. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for everybody who supports our channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.